Good morning. Myself Dr. Sangeeta. I am Assistant Professor in Department of Zoology, Nauroji Wade College, Pune. We shall see the silent features of phylum Chordata. Here deuterostomes. Deuterostomes are divided into two, echinoderms and chordates. Deuterostomes in which the blastospore gives rise ananas during embryonic development. Chordates. Ancestral chordates are divided into two, Urochordata and Cephalochordata. Urochordata commonly known as tunicates and Cephalochordata commonly known as lancets. Craniata, in which brain is located in the cranium, while vertebrata, presence of vertebral column. These are the main features. Here, chordates are having circular mouth. Those are belong to Petromyzontida and Myxini. Petromyzontida, commonly known as lampreys, and Myxini, commonly known as hagfish. Petromyzon are the animals which are ectoparasitic forms found on the gills of the fish. Then coming to gnathostomes. Gnathostomes are the animals with jaws, includes fishes, amphibians, reptiles, mammals, etc. Condictids, especially shark, rays, chimeras. Second type of fish, that is Actinopterygii. Those are said to be ray finned fishes. Then Actinistia, commonly known as coelacanths. These are fossil fishes. Then fourth one is Dipnoi. Dipnoi are the lungfishes. Then coming to Tetrapoda. Tetrapoda are the animals which are with two pairs of legs or having four legs. Example, amphibians, reptiles, and mammals. Here are the silent features of chordates. Chordates are the aquatic, aerial, and terrestrial animals. Mostly all chordates are free living. Fully parasitic forms are not seen. Body may be small or large, bilaterally symmetrical, and metamerically segmented. Presence of skeletal rod, that is notochord, is present at least in their embryonic condition or at some stage of their life cycle. Pharyngeal gill slits are present at some stage. Those may or may not be functional. Neurochord is dorsal and tubular. Anterior part usually gets enlarged to form a brain. Presence of postrenal tail usually projects beyond the anus at some stage of their life cycle. Tail may or may not persist in the adult. For example, frog. Exoskeleton is often present, well developed in most of the vertebrates, for example, fish and reptiles. Body is covered with scales. Body wall is triploblastic with presence of three germ layers, that is ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. Chordates are the true coelomate animals. The coelom may be enterocoelic or schizocoelic in origin. Here, coelom is protective in function. Chordates are either cartilaginous or bony. Endoskeleton is jointed and is present in the majority of the chordates. Digestive system is complete with digestive glands. Blood vascular system is closed type. Heart is located ventrally, which is with dorsal and ventral blood vessels. Hepatic portal system is well developed. Excretory system comprises protonephric, mesonephric, and metanephric type of kidneys. Sexes are separate with rare exceptions. Here you can see presence of notochord, presence of nerve cord, and presence of pharyngeal gill slits in the Amphioxus. Thank you.